Hi, yeah, it's Geo Sky UK checking in again, looking at the radar animation of the rainstorms coming over southern, central, northern Ireland, Dublin, Belfast, Cardiff, above Cardiff and Manchester, activity above Manchester, UK, United Kingdom. So plenty going on today, much more than I've ever noticed. That's why I've had to set the camera up. Sorry about the outside noises. So let's have a little look closer in. And this time with the time and the date. Slap in the middle of Dublin now. You see a large RF footprint, as well as the big one that we know about to more in Southern Ireland, which is absolutely humongous. It really does splay out, as you can see in that frame there. Now be going in all directions from the central point. In Wales, just to the left of my finger nail, get that big strident V. That'll be circular. That's another massive RF footprint. Obviously I'm just pointing them out. That's a common one, but we are seeing new ones now. Above just above Manchester to the left slightly. Let's just see if we can zoom in. Bit more. So definitely, yeah, coming to the central point, just around here. See it better in those frames. There you go, yeah, a bit clearer. So keeping an eye on the edges as well, watching the edges, how they interact with each other. There really is loads of activity going on out there. It's outrageous, even looking up into Scotland, Glasgow and above. Huge imprints coming across from other RF. Some very defined lines here that you might want to check out yourself with various rain radar software you might have. I'm using Weather Pro on the Android phone. I'm just set up a tripod. Seems to have the best spectrum that I can find. I think they do a web-based version. Well, they do a web-based version, but the colour spectrum isn't quite the same as this. So huge activity now in Ireland. Dublin, Belfast, and towards southern end Ireland. Do forgive me, I do not know the location. You have to keep your eye on it and centre it in as best you can and overlay it with Google Earth. Get an idea of I'm trying to zoom out now, I can't even do that now. But anyway, it gives us a chance to look at Wales. Now there was usually activity just to the northwest of London. Bit hard to see because there's not much rain coming over. With a good sheet of rain you'll see the activity, but you can see how the RF from it's definitely been affected. You can see here. very, very, very odd. Obviously, you got to allow, I guess, for maybe some graphic errors. Things that I know about in the graphics world. Sometimes the interlacing might not be so good, but this is no error. This I see on a daily basis, and I'm very familiar with RF footprints. You've only got to go to rsgb.org, Radio Society of Great Britain. Check out a lot of the radio amateurs, the repeaters that are all over the country, and they'll show you an RF footprint quite similar to this. So, but you know, radio and TV transmitters should not be doing that much damage to the cloud base. I mean, having such a strident effect on it as that. That is extreme power going on there to do that to a rain radar. Anyway, thanks for watching. GeoSky UK checking out.